Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to order on Kickwho. So let's get into the video. So open up Kickwho, and if you have an account, log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so what you're going to do, you're going to just browse through any item that you wish to purchase. So just like in any other e-commerce site, you just choose any item here. So for example, I'll just use these shoes as an example. So just click on it, and then you just need to select the size because it's a shoe, so I'm just going to select the size. And then once that's done, then the packaging stuff, all those details. Okay, so I'm going to just add it to my cart. So just hit on add to cart, and then once you've added it to your cart, so now what you're going to do, you're going to just go to your cart, and then we're going to proceed with the checkout process here. So let me just get to my cart now. So once this loads here, so what I'm going to do, so these are my the items that I have on my cart. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just get these 3 items here. So hit on the checkout option, and then it's going to start the checkout process. So once you click on checkout, so and then here what you're going to do, you're going to add your address here. So since I've already got my address here saved, so I'm just using that address, or else you just have to click on this and then add your address. And then once that's done, it's just going to review the items, and then hit continues to go to the payment section. So here, this is the payment section. So what you have to do here is simply select how you want to make the payment. So for example, if you're using credit card, just select credit card and then plug in your card details, and then hit on continue, and that's it. Complete the transaction. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy and straightforward to order an item on Kickwho. So I hope this video was helpful.